what's up? It's Buster. I'm doing another Pompadour tutorial today. We're going to be going with Bonafide Oil-Based, High Life Water-Based on top of it. Got a little bit of residual from earlier in the week, so it's just going to be a nice little lighter hold for my standards, a pretty standard heavy hold. Let's do this. So you're going to need a blow dryer. We're going to be doing this high heat, low speed. You're going to need a variety of combs and brushes. I got a fine tooth with a handle. I got a pick. I got a rake comb. I got a brush with some vents in the back. That allows it to get some volume when we blow dry. You'll see later. And a wire round brush. So we could get some nice tight curls going in. Well, my hair doesn't curl, but you'll see what we mean. And we're going to be going with Bonafide Oil-Based. We're going to be using High Life Water-Based. To begin, we're going to be grabbing our hair dryer, low and slow. No, high and slow. We're going to try and introduce some slicking back and some volume at the same time. So we're going to go back about 1.5 inches and we're going to roll forward about 1/2 inch. And we're just going to keep doing that in layers. And what you'll see is you're starting to build a couple layers in the front that want to just stick up. And the layers behind it are going to want to stick up with it. Sides are going to go straight back. You want those to just lay flat as possible. Alright, now that hair is nice and warm, mostly dry, we're going to be going with this oil base. It's labeled as strong and it works as such. It's also got a pretty high shine, which is something to take away with because a lot of these other oil-based don't really have a good shine to them. Something about the heavier the holds, I think they would have to use wax, and wax has a more matte finish. We're going to blow dry this in, we're going to get it to set a little bit better, get that shape one last time. So now we're primed up, ready for this water-soluble to come through and just turn everything into this nice tight pompadour. See what a lot of blow drying will do? Everything's still in place even though I just ran a bunch of grease through it. So next you're going to take your pick and you're just going to straighten everything out real quick. You start at a 45, but you pull straight up at a point. We're going to take the rake comb and we're just going to comb it all in. Everything's in place. I'm just going to grab this comb now. Lock in the sides. Now I got calyx over here that won't allow the sides to really sit for me, so I have to chase them down. That's where I get messed up a lot. Wish me luck. With the right work in front of it all, setting the right foundation, this was no work at all. I'm confident that my hair is going to be up for the rest of the day, and even if it doesn't, I got a comb with me. Oil-based with that water-soluble. You got perfect recombability throughout the day.